Hi, this is Dr. Robert Dillon of UpRusticFurniture.com. On this channel, I share the handcrafted log furniture I build, along with various woodworking and home improvement projects related to my business. We are located in the beautiful Upper Peninsula of Michigan and serve customers throughout Michigan's Upper Peninsula and northern Wisconsin. In this photo are a pair of stools matched as a set shown in natural light. These swivel log stools are built from locally harvested logs and are designed for kitchen counters, breakfast bars, workshop benches, and cabin gathering spaces. Each stool is hand-shaped, sanded, and finished to provide both comfort and rustic character. Here are the stools in a cabin setting. The legs are made from eastern white pine and are attached to the base using traditional mortise and tenon joints. It's a method that's been used for hundreds of years because it creates an incredibly strong, solid framework. To produce the mortise and tenon joints, I used a Milwaukee 1/2 inch compact hole shooter together with the Lumberjack Tools mortise and tenon system. The Milwaukee drill provides plenty of torque to produce smooth, consistent tenons, while the Lumberjack tool cutters make quick work of producing accurate and professional-looking joints. Here's a photo of the various mortise and tenon cutters used for the project. You can buy these cutters from Lumberjack Tools. I'll provide a link in the description below. And to make the joints even stronger, a countersink bit is used to create a tapered shoulder around the mortise. This allows the tenon to fit tightly into the mortise, resulting in a stronger and more stable joint. Once all of the joints are cut, I perform a dry fit to make sure everything fits together properly before moving on to the glue up. For the glue, I use Grizzly One, which is a polyurethane glue sold by Lumberjack Tools. This type of glue was first used by craftsmen in Europe and later became available here in North America. I've always liked this glue because it's moisture activated. That means it reacts with the natural moisture that's already in the wood to create a really strong bond. As it cures, the glue expands slightly, filling the tiny gaps between the mortise and the tenon. Once it's fully cured, you've got an extremely strong, waterproof joint that's built to last. Here's a side view of the stools in a cabin setting. The seat is made from northern red oak. At this angle, you can see that 3 boards were cut to size and then run multiple times through a planer. A jointer is then used to create perfectly straight edges so the boards fit together tightly. Finally, the boards are glued and clamped under pressure. Once construction is complete, the stools are sanded multiple times before Arm R Seal oil-based top coat with a satin sheen is applied. The sanding and finishing process is repeated at least 3 times to produce a smooth, durable finish. Here's the pair of the stools displayed at a counter. Let's go over the components and measurements of the stools. For the swivel mechanism, I use heavy-duty 8-inch bar stool swivel plates. The assembly consists of 2 8-inch by 8-inch steel plates connected by ball bearings, allowing the seat to rotate a full 360 degrees. Their height from the ground to the top of the seat is 26 inches. The seat is a solid 1.5 inches thick and measures 15.5 inches in diameter. If you would like us to build a set of custom-made swivel stools for your home, feel free to contact us at UP Rustic Furniture. The UP stands for Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing many more woodworking projects in future videos. Thank you.